We are clear to close on a new house. If you guys have been here for a while, you know that we have been looking for a house for a very, very, very long time. And things happened, you know, I got pregnant. There definitely was more pressure to move into a bigger space because right now, like, we cannot fit not a single other thing in this house. Moving into a bigger space, it's not a huge house or anything. Like, it's not your typical YouTube new house. Okay, no, this is not that. This is a very normal new house and it needs a lot of work. Okay, so yeah, I'm currently 6 months pregnant and we're taking on a renovation project. But it has potential, it's in a good area that we really like, and we're happy with it. So as for this house, this is actually a townhouse, if you guys didn't know, and we are planning on keeping it, but we will be renting it out. So hopefully we will be moving out before the baby gets here, but it gives me a little bit more peace of mind to know that we have a place to stay while we're fixing certain things. The house pretty much needs everything done, everything. So we're going to try to do as much as we can before moving in, just like prioritizing certain things that really need to be done. Like the kitchen needs to be gutted, basically. So we need to do a kitchen, we need to do floors. It needs everything. Like, it doesn't have appliances. Like, the washer and dryer that it has, I don't even know if it works. Like, it needs work. It needs work, and we're probably insane for taking on such a project like right before the baby is to be here. I personally prefer renovating things to my liking as opposed to buying a house that's newer, that has been renovated, because chances are nothing is in like my taste, you know? So it's just so many things at the same time, but we really needed more space, and I love this house. Like, this house is a labor of love for us. We love it so much. It's why we didn't want to get rid of it. It's why we went through such a mission, because we could have just sold this house and bought a new one, but we purposely wanted to keep this house. The vibe here is just amazing, and I didn't want to get rid of it. So yeah, stay tuned for all of the home related content on top of all the baby stuff at the same time. I forgot to bring Dexter his little bowl, and that's what we're using to give him water. So this is the living area. He looks so fun. He loves the fact that the windows go all the way to the floor, because he could do that all day. So this is the living room in the new place. We're gonna fill this, obviously change the floors. It's a mess right now because we're demoing.
We're gonna do a pool here. Our living room pool.
Yeah, just put the pool right when you walk in.
So we're gonna put the pool right here.
We have this nice little ice block feature, which I'm contemplating on removing or not. I kind of like it. We're planning on removing that wall and all of that. It's very hard to explain. I'll show you guys. We're gonna start removing these cabinets. Future kitchen will hopefully be an L all the way to the back. I'm gonna do an island in the middle. Obviously we have to redo. There's like 17 floors in this house. Like, what is this? Look, 1, 2, 3. Obviously we're going to do new floors to even everything out once we level out all the floors. That floor back there needs leveling too. So this is gonna be my office. Roger already, it's very dusty in here. He already took off the vinyl floor that was here. He just left it on the concrete.
And the moldings. And I took out a closet that was here. There used to be a closet.
Yeah, I wanted him to remove this closet.
And there was a closet here that I took out too.
It wasn't a closet, it was shelves. He took out the shelves over there because that's where we're gonna put.
And then the next step is gonna be the popcorn roof.
Yeah, every room has popcorn, which we have to remove. So over here, we're gonna put a closet similar to what we have in our room now. Makes sense to just put the closet over here, make it flush. And here we have another tile. This is gonna be the baby's room. So we're gonna do the same thing, remove the frame and just make it like a wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling closet. It has a good little closet system now, but and we also have to remove the popcorn again from every single room. For all the rooms that face the back, we want to do sliding doors. Don't know if we're going to do sliding doors for this room or open up another window. This has to be closed because that's going to be integrated into the house. This house has like the weirdest layout ever. This back here is just like a hallway in the back of the house. So we're extending the house into this because they made it part of the house. They did the roof, like integrated everything. So we're just gonna integrate where this ends all the way towards the back. All the way over there is the kitchen that I just showed you. It's very hard to explain. You guys will see as we start doing more demo and removing walls. It's a lot. We're insane. Yeah, you don't gotta tell me. I know. Over here for these closets, the same thing. We want to just flush everything. I like flush cabinetry. So this is the laundry. I plan on doing a stacked washer dryer like we have in our house now, but it's a pretty decent sized laundry. I want to do just simple, again, flushed cabinetry. And this is the other side of the laundry. Lots of storage. I love it. And then over here is our bedroom. It has a little integrated vanity already, which I think I'm gonna keep. I just wanna make like a thicker, maybe like a 4-door or like 2 long door, thicker vanity so I can fit like actually all my makeup. Obviously, new lights, new mirror, new everything. Because what is that? What is that? We plan on doing sliding doors all throughout the back of the house just to open up the space. And then this window, can somebody explain to me what the point of this window is? Why couldn't they even it out? Why? Closets over here. We gotta put some drywall. We got to, or maybe we don't need to put drywall if we're planning on doing like an integrated closet and stuff, or maybe just IKEA. Why would they put popcorn here? We got a ceiling titty. We got lots of ceiling titties actually. Yeah, something similar to what we have in our house now, but you know, wider. So yeah, this is a little vanity space. Needs work. All the air vents need to be changed, guys. What did we get ourselves into? This is fine. This is fine. Bathrooms, don't even get me started. They're not horrible. I actually don't hate these. I feel like they would work in a, you know, obviously sleek bathroom, but yeah. We gotta move some things to utilize the space a little bit better. I don't need this to be so big and bulky. I just want a simple tub. For the bathrooms, we do need to just rearrange it a little bit, change the layout because it's not working. I think I explained everything that we're planning on doing. The yard, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, there's way too much going on. Whoever picked out all of the fixtures in this house really did a number. And it's so low too. Like, why would you do this? Like, who? Yeah, what we saw in this house that made us pick it up, we really like the location. We like the price of it. And I know in my heart that underneath all the work that needs to be done in this house, there is potential. Hard to see, for sure, but it's there, I hope. Yes, this is what's going to be consuming our life for the next couple of months. Wish us luck. I look insane, but I can't wait for these walls in the kitchen to come down so that I can like see the potential even more, and I can't wait to start the kitchen design process. That's one of the first things that we have to do. I have to get those cabinets made like yesterday. Dexter, put in some work, dude. You don't pay bills. You don't do groceries. Absolutely no help. All you do is watch. We're on our way to a baby shower, and I just tried on these glasses for the first time and I really like them. They're by a brand called Ray, I believe. Yeah, this brand. And I really like the colorway. It looks really pretty in the sun. It's like a brown frame and then like a yellowish brown tint lens. It's super cute. I forgot to take a video of my outfit, but I'm just wearing a tank dress, which is by Enza Costa. A long like maxi tank dress, just a white like linen shirt, and this bag. So we ripped all of the floors off already. This is the baby's room. Still have to take this flooring off. We've put some lighting up here. We have to close that one. And obviously remove the popcorn from all the rooms still. Here's the state of everything else. Lovely. We're replacing the roof sheetrock. We're filling all of this in. We opened up the kitchen more. We have to fill that back there. This is fine. This is like hardcore nesting, guys. Every time I do a walk around the house, I'm like, wow, what do we get ourselves into? But it's fine. It's fine. Inspector Dexter. How's the work, bud? Do you approve? Roger is cutting trees. We have a nice little shed back here. All right, some updates for today. We have removed popcorn from all of the rooms. All of the old paint has been peeled and they're gonna refinish the walls, hence all the old paint on the floor. We're switching out the vents. These are the lights. Yes. Closets have been stripped because again, we're gonna remove the framing. My mom's just peeling away at all of like the leftover paint. That window needs to be closed. This is gonna be the main bedroom. Bye-bye popcorn. We have to open up the lights in the roof. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna go get a very much needed haircut today. I'm thinking like that much. I'm over it. And I'm sure I'm not gonna get a haircut in a long time, so I just wanna do like a good chop. For today's outfit, I got a thrifted men's shirt, bump suit dress. I love this thing so much. It is the most comfortable dress ever. And Proenza Birkenstocks. Earrings, Majuri, and the back earrings, which you can't really see, are the little dangling ones from Monica Vinader. And for my bag, I'm just wearing my little Lululemon crossbody. I forget the name. Is it the Everywhere bag? I don't know, but this thing is the best thing ever. I'll show you guys the finished product. I think this is like one of my favorite lengths, for sure. So manageable. So yeah. Update. I've changed because we're gonna go try to pick out some doors now. So These shorts are from Amazon. Maternity shorts are the best thing ever. Lululemon bag, Pangea shirt, Asics sneakers, Prada sunnies, freshly cut hair. Yes. Dexter's not thrilled that we just got here and we're leaving again. All right, some updates. Drywall is on the roof. Lighting is starting to get put in the living room. They're starting to smooth out the walls already. Baby's room. This drywall was replaced. We've got lights in this room now. Still gotta close that and we're gonna open up. This is gonna go here. And this also has to be closed. This window's already getting closed up. I just want no windows on this wall. And then this, you guys know, it's gonna be a sliding door. Closing this one up. Recessed lighting is already installed here, but can't turn it on yet because they're still working on the electricity.